Hey loves, it's Brianna. I'm a mom of 2 toddlers and today I'm doing a day in the life of a stay-at-home mom. I'm going to be breaking down my schedule with all of the times so that you can see what my daily routine looks like on the days when I'm in stay-at-home mom mode. And if you like this vlog, please click the thumbs up. I cannot believe we are already near the end of Vlogmas 2018, so make sure that you are subscribed if you're new here, and click and re-click your notification bell while you watch so that you don't miss a new video. So my day starts at 6:30 a.m. unless P wakes up earlier than my alarm, and this was a rough morning, honestly, because Landon woke up a bunch and wanted to sleep in my bed, and Presley has been having really bad 18-month sleep regression, so I did not get very much sleep. Typical mom life, right? Who else is asking Santa for sleep this year? Let me know in the comments. But I will get the kids dressed and ready for the day and then head downstairs to make them breakfast and make myself some coffee. Do you want pancake or waffle? Pancake? Okay.
Big and warm and make me fall and big for wet just before the know why.
That's what pancakes do. Once we have breakfast, I take the kids down to the basement to play in their play area, and I hop on the exercise bike and I'll do a check of my emails, my messages, my comments, and just make sure that there isn't anything burning that I need to take care of that day. But quick break on my day, I'm so excited because this is a collab with another mom on YouTube, CAITLYN. She is gorgeous and so is her little girl Scarlett. I just love her name, and she's going to be doing a day in the life of a stay-at-home mom over on her channel today too. And also follow her on Insta because her feed is amazing. I'm always inspired by her and her YouTube videos. She's also from the Midwest, but she lives in Arizona. I just know you will love her videos, so please check her out. Tell her I sent you, and if you are coming over from CAITLYN, hi, please introduce yourself in the comments because me and my subs would love to get to know you. So if you are new or catching up, my husband Adam is recovering from a concussion, so he's been resting a lot, but once he gets up, he'll watch the kids so that I can hop in the shower and get ready before we head out the door for the day. Thanks, Daddy. Huh?
Thanks, Daddy.
I'm gonna make one more coffee and then we're gonna go, okay? Well, typical mom style, my breakfast is on the go today. I got ready so fast while Adam watched the kids. I will turn it on loud. He wants the Christmassy cigar right now, but I literally got ready so fast while Adam watched the kids. I think it was like under 20 minutes, which I feel like is a record for me to like shower, do my makeup and hair. First stop is dropping off Landon at preschool. Then me and P are heading to Target because we needed to get some last minute gifts for Christmas, and that's always just a nice break to get out of the house as a mom, especially when we live in cold weather like we do here in Cleveland. Love you. Have a good day at school. Bye. Love you. Adam drove my car yesterday, so add another stop on the list of things to do. I don't know why, but every time, the shoes, the socks, the hats, it all comes off. Presley Jane, where are your shoes? You're being naughty. For Todd? Yeah, Todd's gonna tell Santa you're being naughty. We're actually gonna be going to see my dad, but this song always makes me think of him because Dirty Dancing's his favorite movie. Where are we going? Say where all the moms go. Target run. Minnie, you gotta be a big girl, go in the potty. You can get those, okay? They had these like hidden in the back in Target, but I really wanted to get my dad like a super soft robe. It's like so soft. And I found these like matching pajama pants for him, so I thought that those are perfect. Next stop, visiting my dad, who has been on hospice since this fall. So we decided to give him an early Christmas present that we knew he could put to good use that we had found at Target. Come here, Peanut. You shutting the door?
Looks like something I can order.
Well, yeah, there's a couple things that you can like wear.
What are these pants?
Yeah, pajama pants. I figured those are nice and cozy ones.
I don't feel like, who's the rich guy that had stuff?
Hugh Hefner.
Yeah.
That's your Hugh Hefner robe.
It's pretty funny.
Are you the playboy of this facility?
No, I'm not a playboy. I'm not Latino.
Did Presley pick out your robe, huh? Did you pick it out?
No.
Yes, you did.
Did she pick it out?
Yeah, she picked
Thank
out the
you.
robe. Because there was a couple colors and she picked that one. Huh?
She goes, no, not me.
Do you like it?
I like this robe.
I feel like Hugh Hefner.
She's looking at it.
And as I run around, I usually talk to Tiffany from Beauty and the Beastons on my drive. Just got off the phone with Tiff. We always like call each other because we're driving around at like the same time, running errands and picking up Landon and Carter from their respective preschools. But, you know, mom life, just finally eating breakfast. It's almost noon. Eating bananas in a parking lot. Oh, mom life is bananas some days. And this is so silly, I was thinking about this. I don't know what this says about my competitiveness, because I'm not ultra competitive at like sports. I think I'm more competitive with myself. But I remember as a kid, I used to get such bad anxiety waiting for my parents to pick me up. And it's just like funny what a world we live in, because we didn't have cell phones, so you like had to have quarters in your book bag, use the payphone, call your mom and dad, like come get me, I'm done with track. And I remember sitting there and sometimes just being anxious if it was taking a little longer than like what I knew their like drive was to come get me. And so I feel like now I get into this line in the parking lot to pick them up and I'm always like, okay, am I gonna be like first, second, third? I think I'm 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, I'm 7th today, lucky 7. But isn't that so silly? I like play this game of like, who's gonna get to the parking lot first? Am I gonna be the first in line today for pickup? Because I love when like Landon sees my car, he does this little like happy dance and starts waving when I pick him up, and it's like my favorite thing. I look forward to it. And I just never want him to worry if like he doesn't see my car in the line. I know that's so silly, and I know that's probably like, I don't know if that's the best parenting thing, but I just know it gave me anxiety, so I just like to always like make sure they know that I'm here and like be there for them. I know that's so goofy, but and I don't think I said I dropped off Presley at home with Adam.
I want a pop.
Well, we can't do that today, but maybe tomorrow we'll go and do that, okay?
He's feeling good.
I know, we'll go visit Poppy tomorrow though. We gotta go to speech therapy for you right now. We go straight to therapy, but I was actually a little bit early on this day and he begged me to go to this Jungle car wash that's on the way. My car really needed it, so that was a nice thing to squeeze in. But he's been going to speech therapy since September and we have seen such a huge difference. His therapist has been amazing, and since we'll be on a 2-week break because of the holidays, he's got a bunch of homework that we're going to be working on over the break. Ninja Turtle? So I know that this is the day in the life of a stay-at-home mom, but I haven't even been at home. So I think a more accurate title would be like stay in the car mom or run errands mom, not a stay-at-home mom. Once we got home, P was still napping, so I got Landon his lunch, and then I also got our dinner started in the crock pot. Okay, so I made a video of meal planning, and everybody wanted to know about this beef and broccoli crock pot recipe. It's so simple. I just do like a heaping tablespoon of this chopped garlic. I buy this, it's like called stir fry beef from the grocery store, and dump that in. And then this is, you could really buy any kind of either teriyaki sauce or stir fry sauce that you like. This is the one that I always get from our grocery store, and I just pour that. It's like super thick, but I just pour that over the top and let this cook in the crock pot either for 4 or 6 hours, like however much time you have. And then I will just steam broccoli right before I serve this and make beef ramen noodles and put that beef over the top of it. I look rough. I think I need a nap today too. At this point, I felt totally bombarded with some important emails and messages I'd gotten about my dad. So I took a mommy time out in my office, thankfully, since Adam's home, he put Landon down for his nap, and then Presley woke up, and I was laughing because when I went to go get her, she'd fallen asleep in the car when Adam had drove to the drugstore after I dropped her off earlier. So he laid her in her crib, still in her coat. Dad life. Why do you have your coat on?
Did you fall asleep in the car?
Daddy left your coat on you. If I seem like grumpy and out of it today, it's probably because I am. I just did not get the sleep that I needed last night, and that's why when Vlogmas is over, like, I'm definitely feeling in over my head right now. Just being really real about it, with just Christmas and everything else too. But let's turn it around, because I feel like that's one of the things I like always strive to do. So we're gonna turn this around, and the first way, I want to do the letters of the day. So if you are coming over from CAITLYN'S channel and you're new here, starting in day 1 of Vlogmas, I have letters as part of a word scramble, and if you unscramble them correctly, you can enter the giveaway for a $500 Amazon gift card, $500 Spot Finder gift card, so you get some of that me time, and a $100 Grove collaborative credit, so you can get some cleaning goodies for the new year too. So here are the letters of the day. Write them down, and I'm gonna do the inspirational quote of the day too, because I feel like this little notepad that I got from Staples, it's like a great thought a day notepad, so it has like a quote on the bottom. I have a lot saved on a Pinterest board, but I feel like this one has some really good ones, and I sometimes feel like God just has me open these up to a certain page to see a certain quote, and I open up this one, and it is from Oprah, who is like one of my idols, and it couldn't be more perfect for, I think, just how I'm feeling today in my little mommy timeout zone in my office. Because I told Adam, I'm like, I need to just be alone for a hot second. Here's my quote to pull me out of a meltdown and hopefully pull you out of any kind of a funk you might be in too. Be thankful for what you have. You'll end up having more. If you concentrate on what you don't have, you will never ever have enough. So I'm just gonna stop and reframe things, because I think sometimes it can just feel like I'm on the go and I don't have a minute to myself, and I just don't get enough sleep, and I think I know, and I'm tearing up even thinking about it, and also probably because I don't have enough sleep. Like, I think all moms get to a point where you feel this way, and then you like think about 20 years from now when like Landon's 23, he's graduated college at that point, probably working his first job. Like Presley would be 21. Oh my God, Presley 21. I'm in so much trouble thinking about her at night. I will be up all night then, probably not getting sleep because of just worried about what she's doing. But it's just, I'll miss these times. So I just want to like stop and be so grateful that I have like 2 little kids that I can pick up, that I like drive around with in the car all day, and I hear their sweet little voices singing Christmas music, and you know, who the highlight of their day is going through the jungle car wash or playing jokes on me by taking their boots off in the car while we drive around. So I appreciate this moment for what it is, and I know I'm going to be really sad someday when I don't have it anymore, and I'll probably look back on these videos and just think, oh my gosh, that moment of time was really, really cool. So I hope that that quote and like that reframing thinking helps you if your sort of current daily routine or current schedule is driving you a little nutty or feels a little bit stressful, because I just think there's gonna come a point in time where I know I'm like really, really gonna miss all of the chaos. Then I had my therapy, which seriously guys, like it has helped me so much and truly changed my life these last few months. It's really helped me, I think, just to stay positive during the tough season and sort out a lot of life stuff that I just needed an outsider's expert opinion on. So if you're even considering doing it, I would 100% recommend it. And I'll link the site that I use, because I just feel mental health should be taken seriously, especially as moms and women. Our mental health should never be put on the back burner.
No.
Yes, you didn't go before.
After the kids were both up from their naps, we had a few errands to run before dinner.
Just go really fast. It will make me so happy.
I don't hear nobody.
Go potty and get fruit snacks when I call.
It's that kind of a day. We're wrapping with fruit snacks. We are on the road again, having to pick up something we ordered for my grandparents, and then we're gonna drop off my mom's birthday present to her house before we head back to ours for dinner. So I actually ended up throwing in some carrots with the beef in the crock pot because they were expiring today, so I just didn't want them to go bad. But I have some broccoli that I'm steaming, and I've got my ramen going too for our beef, broccoli, and carrots. But that's why I love all of those meals that I shared in yesterday's video, my meal planning and like grocery haul video, because this is one of them, and it was so nice just to like set it up in the crock pot. It's good to go. We were out running around all day, but like come home and it takes just like 5 minutes to put the stuff on the stove and prep for dinner. So super easy. Would recommend checking out that video if you want some like very simple, fast, easy meal ideas. Ready to eat?
Mommy, it's in your hand.
Hands folded too. You say amen.
Mommy,
Good
I
job.
want to do this.
I tried to cook the broccoli more like how you like it.
I'm timing it.
Does it taste like pudding broccoli?
Green broccoli.
Last time I made broccoli, Daddy said it tasted like pudding broccoli.
It literally was
Bro.
the consistency of pudding.
And then when we got home, we ate dinner, cleaned up.
Okay, I'm picking even Fido, Fezzy.
And I gave the kids their baths, brushed their teeth, and Adam tucked in Presley to bed while I was reading Landon his bedtime story.
Up above the world so high, like a diamond in the sky. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are.
I think Coley wants to come up with us. Maybe because today's story is called Snow Puppies. Later on their afternoon walk, the puppy saw a group of children playing in the snow. As Lucky watched the children, he smiled. He knew just what to get their humans. After both kids were down, I started working on editing today's vlog in the kitchen. And that is it for this day in the life as a mom vlog on one of the days when I am fully in the stay-at-home mom role for the most part. I'm really trying to compartmentalize work days and stay-at-home days so it's easier for me to just focus on the kids or focus on my work, because I realized I just was not managing either well if I was trying to multitask all of the time. So if you want me to do a video about how my weeks look in 2019, let me know that in the comments. But please click the thumbs up if you like day in the life videos on my channel so that I know for 2019. And I'll see you tomorrow at 8 a.m. Eastern time. Please don't forget to check out Caitlyn's Day in the Life of a Stay-at-Home Mom video too. Bye, loves.